Welcome to the video class of foundation course. Today I am going to discuss the maximum value and minimum value of trigonometric function. Then domain and range of the trigonometric function. Then related problems. Maximum value and minimum value. Right. For sin theta. For sin theta. We know P less than equal to H, or we can write mod P less than equal to mod H. So divide P mod P by mod H. This is equal to less than equal to 1. Mod P by mod H means mod of sin theta less than equal to 1. Suppose this is a circle, right? And suppose this is theta, and this is O, and this is A, and this is B. Clear? And this is P, and this is B, and this is H. If theta becomes 90 degree, if theta is equal to 90 degree, then P is equal to H. So less than equal to P less than equal to H. Clear? This is sin theta. Mod of sin theta less than equal to 1. We know from inequality, if mod x less than equal to A, we can write minus A less than equal to x less than equal to A. Similarly, we can write sin theta less than equal to minus 1 less than equal to 1. Clear? So maximum value of sin theta is equal to 1. Therefore maximum value of sin theta is equal to 1, and minimum value of sin theta is equal to minus 1. Now for cos theta, we know B less than equal to B mod less than equal to H mod. So divide by B H mod. B mod divided by H mod is equal to less than 1. B by H means cos theta. Mod of cos theta less than equal to 1. Similarly, we can write cos theta less than equal to minus 1 less than equal to 1. That is minimum value of cos theta is equal to minus 1. Maximum value of cos theta is equal to 1. Same argument here. Suppose this is circle and this is center, and this is suppose theta, right? This is theta and this is theta. Clear? If this is B and this is P and this is H. If theta equal to 90 degree, then H is equal to B. Clear? Then H is equal to B. So minimum value of cos theta is equal to minus 1, and this is maximum value is plus 1. Then about tan theta. From the table we know tan theta lies between minus infinity plus infinity. Cot theta lies between minus infinity plus infinity. Note, tan theta lies between minus 1 to minus infinity to plus infinity. Cot theta lies between minus infinity less than cot theta less than infinity. So maximum value, minimum value in case of tan theta and cot theta cannot be determined. Again, sec theta. For sec theta, we know mod of x greater than mod b divided by b, mod x by mod b greater than equal to 1, that is sec theta greater than equal to mod of sec theta greater than equal to 1. We know from inequality mod x greater than equal to a means x greater than equal to x less than equal to minus a, x greater than equal to plus a. Similarly, right here, that is sec theta less than equal to minus 1 and sec theta greater than equal to plus 1. That is sec theta belongs to minus infinity, minus 1, union 1 to infinity. So minimum value, maximum value cannot be determined in case of sec theta. Again, for cosec theta. Again for cosec theta. Same concept here. For cosec theta, same concept. Cosec theta mod greater than equal to 1. So cosec theta lies on the interval minus infinity minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Clear? Note 1. Question 1, suppose. What is the minimum and maximum value of sin square theta? Solution. We know sin theta less than equal to minus 1 greater than minus 1 less than equal to sin theta less than equal to 1. If squaring this, all negative numbers will be positive and positive remain positive. So sin square theta, this is 0, this is equal to 1. Right? Most of students squaring both the terms, that is minimum value is 1, also maximum value is 1. But it is suppose you have given x is equal to, suppose minus 1, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3 like this, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 3 like this, last finally 1. What is x square? X square is equal to 1, 1 by 4, 1 by 9 like this, 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 9, then 1. Then what is the minimum value from this? 0 is the minimum value. Similarly, minus sin square theta, sin theta lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So if you squaring, then what is the minimum? Minimum is 0. So minimum value, minimum is equal to 0, maximum is equal to 1. From this problem, we conclude that if the power of sin theta and cos theta are even, then minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 1. Write note. Note sin n theta or cos n theta t less than equal to 1 or this is 0 if n is even. if n is even positive integer. Clear? Similarly, -1, number 2, -1 less than sin theta or cos theta less than 1 if n is odd positive integer. One example, what is minimum value of cos q theta? Example, what is the minimum and maximum value of cos q theta? Cos q theta odd power, so minimum is equal to minimum value equal to answer. This is solution. Minimum value is equal to -1, maximum value is equal to +1, because the power is odd. Power 3 means odd. If odd power, then minimum value of sin theta or cos theta is equal to -1 and maximum value of sin theta and cos theta is +1. If n is even, then the minimum value of sin theta or cos theta is equal to 0 and maximum value of sin theta or cos theta equal to 1. In case of even, minimum value is -1. In case of odd, minimum value is in case of even, minimum value is 0, and in case of odd, minimum value is -1. Maximum value both sin and cos is 1. Domain of the function. Domain of the function. Domain of the function means the values of x, for which f of x is defined. Defined means real value. Defined means not infinity, not imaginary, etc. Not imaginary, etc. Clear? So, what is domain of sin x? What is domain of sin x? Domain of sin x. Question number 1. What is the domain of sin x? Solution. As you know, sin x is defined for every value. In sin x table there is not infinity. So sin x is defined for every real values of x. Therefore, dom of sin x. Dom means domain, short form of domain. Dom of sin x is equal to R. What is this is question number 1. Question number 2. What is domain of cos x? It is also answered, since cos x is also defined for all real values of x. So dom of cos x. Dom means domain of, full form domain, DOM. Dom means domain. Domain of cos x is equal to R, set of real number. Right? Again, now to find domain of tan x. Domain of tan x is this. Answer, x is not defined means infinity, not defined for x is equal to plus or minus pi by 2, plus or minus 3 pi by 2, plus or minus 5 pi by 2, etc. etc. Since tan x is not defined, that is x is equal to, we can write x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. If x is equal to 2n plus pi by 2, tan x is not defined. যদি x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2 হবো, tan x value defined होनी, तो ए value को छाड़ी आ बाकी सब डोमेन हो परियो. Therefore dom f is equal to r minus x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n belongs to z. This is domain of the tan x. Domain of tan x. Dom of tan x is equal to r minus x is equal to n plus 1 pi by 2, n belongs to z. Clear? Then domain of cot x. Domain of cot x. Domain of cot x. Domain of cot x is equal to dash. Since cot x is not defined, so domain is not defined for x is equal to n pi, means 0 plus or minus pi plus or minus 2 pi, etc. That is for x is equal to n pi, cot x is not defined. Cot x is not defined. So domain of cot x, domain of cot x is equal to, याकू छाड़ी आउ सब को डोमेन. तो डोमेन ऑफ cot x is equal to r minus x is equal to n pi, n belongs to z. Now domain of cosec x, domain of sec x is dash. Sec means 1 by cos, tan means sin by cos. So denominator of tan and sec are equal. So domain of sec x equal to domain of tan x. Since sec x is not defined for x is equal to pi plus or minus pi by 2 plus or minus 3 pi by 2 plus or minus 5 pi by 2, etc. That is x is equal to, if x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, sec x is not defined. Not defined means not real number, right? So dom of sec x is equal to r minus x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Clear? Then what is domain of cosec x? Domain of cosec x. What is domain of cosec x? Cosec means 1 by sin, cot means cos by sin. So domain of cosec x is equal to domain of cot x. Since solution or answer, since cosec x is not defined for x is equal to 0 plus or minus pi plus or minus 2 pi, etc. That is x is equal to n pi. That is, if x is equal to n pi, then cosec x is not defined. So domain of cosec x is equal to r minus x is equal to n pi, n belongs to z. Now table for domain and range of trigonometric function. This is trigonometric function. Trigonometric function TF. Trigonometric function. TF means trigonometric function, and this is domain, and this is range. Range. This is sin x, cos x, tan x, sec x, cot x, then sec x, then cosec x. Clear? Domain. This is domain R, set of real number, or we can write minus infinity plus infinity, and this is minus range minus 1 to plus 1, maximum value and minimum value, range means. And this is R, or minus infinity plus infinity, this is minus 1 to plus 1, and this is R minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2, and this is n belongs to z. Suppose this is R minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2, n belongs to z, and this is set of real number R, and domain of this R minus n pi, n belongs to z, and this is R, and this is R, domain of 1 by cos, sin by cos, domain of tan x is equal to domain of sec x. R minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2, n belongs to z, and range is minus infinity minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Clear? And this is 1 by sin, cot means cos by sin, so domain of cot x is equal to domain of sec x. R minus n pi, n belongs to z, and this is minus infinity minus 1 union 1 to infinity. You have to by head this, the table, what is the domain and range of the trigonometric function. What do you mean by range of the function? Range of function means the value of the function lies between the maximum value and minimum value. Range means range of the function means the values of the functions, the values of the function, that is the values of the function lies between minimum value and maximum value. Clear? One problem. If sin n theta plus cosec n theta is equal to 2, then if sin theta plus cosec theta is equal to 2, then sin m theta plus cosec n theta is equal to dash, where n belongs to natural number. Solution: sin theta plus cosec theta is equal to 2. Sin theta plus 1 by sin theta is equal to 2. LCM sin theta, this is sin square theta plus 1 is equal to 2. Clear? And this is sin square theta plus 1 is equal to 2 sin theta, right? And this is sin square theta plus 2 sin theta plus 1 is equal to 0. This will be sin theta plus, this is minus, right? Sin theta minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. That implies sin theta is equal to what? 1. and cosec theta is also 1. Now sin m theta plus cosec n theta means 1 to the power m plus 1 to the power n is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Similarly, note 1, if sin theta plus cosec theta is equal to 2 implies sin m theta plus cosec n theta is 2. Number 2, if tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2 implies tan m theta plus cot n theta is equal to 2. Same process, and this is if sec theta plus cosec theta is sec theta plus cos theta. Cos theta is equal to 2 implies sec m theta plus cos n theta is 2. Thank you.